Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite hairstyles that I've been doing recently and what products I use for it. But yeah, so it's a tutorial, let's put it that way. So for starters, we need clean hair, so like just washed hair and blow dried them. I blow dried my hair already because too much time to do it on video, and I feel like I look funny when I'm blow drying my hair, so we're not doing that on video. Anyways, and we're also gonna need this little thing. Oh, it's hot. Anyways, I already started heating it up on, it has only two settings on mine. One is 180 and the other one is 210. And I don't want to burn my hair completely off, so I'm gonna put it at 180. So while it warms up fully, we're gonna brush my hair and separate it so that it is more comfortable to style. I don't know if it's just me or does anyone like get super sweaty and super hot every time like you're blow drying your hair or just using heat on your hair. Like, I feel like it gets so hot, like I will need to like crack open a window even though it's literally winter outside. Okay, so I'm separating my hair down the middle. I also always have a middle part, so if you prefer to have a side part, then do that. I just personally do middle part always. Plus, I don't feel like the parting is a big deal. By the way, I want to tell myself that this is new growth, but I literally think that I just burned off my hair right here. So yeah, it's kind of tiny. Okay, so I'm gonna use a claw clip and a scrunchie. Because one side we're gonna tie up with a scrunchie. I don't know, well, you don't have to do that. You can just put it away to the side, but I feel like that just doesn't work for me. I need it to be like tied away. So we're doing that. Wait, okay, hold on. I usually always do this part first, so I'm gonna follow what I usually do, because otherwise I'm gonna go nuts. I don't know, like, I feel like when it comes to hair, like, I always have a specific way of doing it, and any other way is just wrong. So, yeah. Okay, and, okay, I can feel the heat coming from it, so we're gonna start. We're gonna start parting it like this, and we're just gonna grab little pieces from the bottom. Okay, this is not little, but obviously we're gonna separate it more. But yeah, we're just gonna start sectioning hair and clipping it with the claw clip like this. I know I look funny, but this is what we gotta do. And then I section it again into little smaller parts so that I can actually get in there. So yeah. Ooh, this is hot. I haven't used it in a hot minute. Okay, so I don't know. I don't feel like I should wait that long because it's pretty hot. Usually when I do it and my hair, or when it's not preheated, then I will wait longer, but it's pretty hot. I left it on for a while before I started. Okay, see, this is what we're going for. Okay, where did it go? I can't really see anything, but let's hope this is what, yeah. This is what it should look like, and then we're just gonna continue doing that all over the head. Okay, we're done with the first section. This is what it looks like. And obviously, it kind of just looks like waves and it's nothing crazy. But we're gonna get more done and it's gonna look better. Just trust the process. Like, this is the type of thing where you gotta just trust the process. Because I remember when I tried this for the first time, I was also like, this is not looking as great as I thought it would. But at the end, it all worked out very well. Also, I want to point out, the longer you hold, I don't even know what you call it. A curling iron? It's not a curling iron. It's a crimper? Is it cramper? Whatever, the iron. We're just gonna call it that. The longer you hold it, the wavier it's gonna be, and also the thinner the piece of your hair is, the more effect you're gonna get. But if you want them more loose, then I recommend don't hold it for that long and use bigger pieces of hair. But I usually like mine pretty tight. I feel like they just look better when they're tighter. It's like, that's how I feel about curls. Like, doesn't matter what type of curl it is. I feel like curls just look better tighter. Anyways. By the way, I just remembered this. When I came back on YouTube, I know this sounds so weird because, like, when I came back on YouTube, whatever. When I came back on YouTube, I know I asked you guys if I should grow out my natural hair or if I keep the blonde, and a lot of you said that I should keep the blonde, and this is what I decided. For the health of my hair, I'm gonna keep it the way it is right now and not dye it up until before my birthday, my 18th birthday, guys. And before my 18th birthday, I'm gonna get highlights. Nothing crazy. I'm not gonna go bleach blonde. Just some highlights here and there, like before the summer. I feel like it's gonna be a good idea. So yeah, and then I'll go from there and decide. Because also right now, I don't got the money to get anything done. I even do my nails on my own at this point. So yeah. Anyways, let's keep going. I'm almost done with this section. That's actually really fast. Maybe it just doesn't. I'll see. Like, I always like think it's so funny when I look back at how long the video was. Like, in the moment when I was doing it, it felt so fast because I'm just yapping the whole time. But then, like, when I go back and see how long it was, it's like an hour-long video, and then I have to cut out everything because who's gonna watch an hour-long video? Not me, not you. You guys barely watch a 10-minute video. So, yeah, we're gonna keep it at that. But yeah, while I'm doing this, I'm just gonna continue talking because I feel like the awkward silence just doesn't do it for me. So, what is everyone's New Year's resolutions? I'm gonna tell you some of mine because you guys can go and comment about yours. I feel like my main one is getting back into the gym because the whole of 2024, I told myself I was going to be in the gym, but that did not happen. And this year, so far. I have been going pretty consistently and I'm very proud of myself. I was supposed to go today as well, but I did not have a ride, so I just did a little workout at home, which honestly wasn't bad. I enjoyed it at home. And I'm thinking like from now on, like if I don't have a ride, like I need to just make sure I do whatever I can at home. I feel like I'm getting out of the picture every time I move because I also can't see myself, so. These are so cute. Cutesy. Okay, struggling over here. Oh my god, I feel bad. Should I not be frying these baby hairs? Whatever, we're frying them. Ooh. This is like the worst is to do like the bottoms on this side because I have to like flip this thing over and it makes everything harder. And I'm scared I'm just gonna burn myself somehow. Which I have. But we're not trying to do that again. You know, I find it so funny how I'm talking so much right now, but when I go back and edit these videos, I cut out like 90% of everything I say because I just look back at it and I'm just like, this was unnecessary to say. But right now I'm just like, oh, I'm gonna keep everything. Like I talk so much, it's so great. But in reality, no, I'm not keeping any of this. I'll probably keep this part. Maybe. We'll see about that. I'll just, oh well. I might just like make everything fast and you just hear like a little voice of a rat in the back. That's me. Do you guys think I make funny faces when I do all this? Or are they just stupid? Opinions? What time is it? Oh, wow. Alright, we need to stop talking and just log in because I'm taking longer than I expected. I almost burned my face. Wow, that was close. We're getting better and better at this every second. Or every time, I don't know. I feel like the biggest problem with this is volume. I like to do like really small crimps at the root of my hair for more volume, but I just simply don't have time for that, and I need a new iron for that specifically because the one that I have is not even mine, so I get my own, especially because I use it more than anyone. Alright, so now the key is to make sure everything is hairsprayed properly because there's no volume if you don't know how to put your hairspray in. So we're gonna grab the hair like this and hairspray everything in parts. So we're gonna hairspray it and then drop everything while we're hairspraying it. That way we get volume. See? The volume already completely different. Same thing on this side. And then I personally like to flip my hair over upside down and hairspray one more time. And also I need to get this part because it doesn't seem to be hairsprayed enough. Alright, so I'm just gonna do that really quick. Oh wow. See, that way we actually get what we want out of this. Oh wow, that sucks. And I feel like the best thing that you could add to this, just like hair overall, is tiny little braids like throughout the hair, which I am gonna do later if I decide that's what I want. But overall, this is it. By the way, forgot to show you, I'm using She hairspray. Literally got it at Ross, so does the job. Yeah, this is it. This is the hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below whatever you want. It's really your choice. Don't forget about your New Year's resolutions. And I will see you in the next video. I love you so much. Bye-bye.